Hi, this is Sean Michael Lewis, and today I want to talk about the new art of sales because I get a lot of people asking questions about sales. You know, how do I sell more? How do I blah, 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 blah. I've read Jeffrey Gitomer to all these different books. And look, you know, I think I've said this before in a previous video. The art of sales now is being an educational company in whatever industry you're in. So if you're in, like a lot of my clients, disaster restoration, you've got to educate people on disaster preparedness. You've got to educate them on what to do when something happens and how to minimize damages. When you have these types of conversations, people will contact you when they have issues. And look, if they have issues, that's an opportunity to sell. Nobody wants to, especially when you're in a service-based business, deal with a pushy salesperson. We see this all the time. People come to your house, they knock on the door, and it's like, hey, I'd like to sell you pest control, blah, 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 blah. And you don't have any bugs around because it's the middle of winter and all the bugs are dead right now. So, I mean, it's just like all kinds of scenarios like of bad salespeople where somebody could be knocking on my door and say, hey, here's something on 4 tips to do to prevent, as we come upon this next season, to prevent this from happening or bugs from coming in your home. Something like that. It's so easy. The more you educate. And look, with social media, YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, why are you not putting educational information out there all the time? Not just one time and say it doesn't work. Why aren't you doing it over and over and over again and making an impact that way? Look, my LinkedIn network is over 9,000 now. I've constantly been educating and putting resources out there where people are continuously coming to me. It's getting so overwhelming. I can't even have time to reach back to all of them. I really try, so I apologize. If I haven't got back to you, feel free to message me right now and we'll continue the conversation. But, you know, I just want to make sure that you understand that sales is changing, sales is evolving, and it's just not the same that it used to be. So, you know, think about it. What can you do in whatever space you're in to continue educating and really embrace the new art of sales that we're living in 2018, which has really started several years ago, but how can you be the best educator in your respective space? Hope this is helpful. Be sure to subscribe to this channel. Hope you guys are doing well. I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day.